Do I need insurance if I have an LLC? Yes. An LLC protects your personal assets, but it does not replace business insurance. The LLC shields your home, car, and savings from business debts or lawsuits, but the business itself can still face risks. Without insurance, your company's assets could be wiped out by a single claim. The type of insurance you need depends on your industry. General liability insurance covers accidents and injuries. Professional liability insurance covers mistakes or negligence in services. If you have employees, you may be required to carry workers' compensation insurance. Having both an LLC and insurance creates a double layer of protection. The LLC protects you personally, while insurance protects the business itself. Together, they give you stronger security than either one alone. Zen Business can form your LLC and help connect you with insurance options tailored to your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.